Sumaima for the preschool, pre-kindergarten. I don't know if you all know Mrs. Tizani also teaches kindergarten Arabic, so she goes from low to the high groups. We also have some assistant with us. Ms. Kinda is here today. One of our dedicated helping hands with Sana Hussein has also been supportive. All of the people that help us with our Arabic program, we appreciate them, and we appreciate Al Din Foundation's support of the Quran program. Without them, it would be very difficult on the school's budget to manage this and to give all of these cash awards, which I know you guys will enjoy. And I know you all will enjoy next week because you don't have to come to school. Okay, so let's do this in an orderly fashion. Let's give our Shams Award for the level 1 more round of applause. Everyone stay seated, please. Oh, and they want me to thank New Horizons School, so let's do that, okay?